Hello friends, welcome in this video. Smart light switches have shifted from novelty to core smart home infrastructure, offering hands-free control, energy management, and integration with voice assistants and ecosystems. This review examines 5 popular options across a price spectrum and feature set, focusing on real-world usability, installation requirements, so let's get started with the list. Product number 1. Casa Smart Light Switch HS200P3. The HS200P3 is a pack-style variant of the Casa HS200 family, marketed as a 3-count single-pole neutral wire required switch with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and compatibility with Alexa or Google Home. It carries UL certification and does not require a dedicated hub. The multi-pack design aims to reduce per-switch cost and simplify installation for larger rooms or multiple fixtures, while preserving the familiar Casa app experience and voice control integration. Each switch in the HS200P3 operates as an independent circuit with standard 15A rating and 120V operation. The product's strength lies in ecosystem consistency. If you already use Casa or SmartThings within the Casa app, the P3 variant reduces setup friction. Product number 2. Casa Smart Light Switch HS200. The Casa HS200 is a single-pole 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi-enabled switch that requires a neutral wire and is UL certified, with no hub required. It is positioned as a low-cost, reliable option for basic smart lighting control, compatible with Alexa and Google Home, and supports scheduling, remote control, and away mode. Its compact form factor and well-documented app-guided install are strong selling points, particularly for users who want to deploy multiple switches without a hub. The inclusion of a 15A current rating and 120V operation ensures compatibility with most standard lighting loads. In practice, the HS200 delivers straightforward, dependable performance for single-circuit setups. The guided installation helps non-technical users navigate neutral wire requirements. Product number 3. Wi-Fi Smart Switch Light Switch. Oriolis 2-pack Wi-Fi Smart Switch offers Matter compatibility and a compact form factor designed to fit tight mounting boxes. It supports external switch connection, momentary or dry contact, a detached relay mode to separate external switching from the relay, and TUV CE FCC certifications for safety. This model emphasizes interoperability with Matter-enabled ecosystems and external hardware, making it appealing to users pursuing a future-proof smart home with cross-brand device control. In everyday use, Mini R4M delivers flexible mounting options and versatile external switch compatibility, which is a standout for retrofit projects and installations that require external switches beyond the standard wall switch. The detach relay mode helps prevent inadvertent state changes from external switches. Product number 4. TP-Link Tapo Smart Light Switch. The TP-Link Tapo S500 is a 4-pack single-pole switch set designed for neutral wire installations with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. It emphasizes a robust app experience with scheduling, timer, and away mode features, and includes a 2-year warranty. Being a 4-pack, it targets installations where multiple switches are needed across rooms or zones, with the potential for consistent performance and a cohesive app interface across all units. On the performance side, S500 provides reliable local control via the Tapo app and strong voice assistant support, which is beneficial for households deploying multiple smart switches without a hub. The 15A/120V specification aligns with common lighting loads. The primary trade-offs are similar to other neutral wire devices. Product number 5. Casa Smart Switch 2-Gang HS200-2. The HS200-2 is a two-gang variant from Casa Smart, enabling two independent single-pole circuits in a single wall plate footprint. It requires a neutral wire and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, maintaining the familiar Casa app experience and voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google. This model targets users who need to control two lights or circuits from one location without introducing a hub dependency, delivering a cleaner control solution for multi-light configurations. In practice, the HS200-2 offers solid performance for simultaneous two-circuit control with independent scheduling and automation for each gang. The installation is guided by the Casa app, and the 15A/120V rating supports typical residential lighting loads.